Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, May 3. The Jamaica Stock Exchange JSE has entered into a partnership with the Ghana Stock Exchange GSE, which will see the capital markets of Jamaica and Ghana expanding their products and services to investors in both countries. This is being facilitated under a Memorandum of Understanding MOU of mutual recognition, which was signed by representatives of both entities during a special bell-ringing ceremony on Monday. Managing Director of the JSE, Dr. Marlene Street Forrest, says the relationship with Ghana is strategic as the agency continues its drive to diversify and widen its participation in local, regional and international markets.
We continue this journey of executing our 2025 strategic mission by going further afield to Africa, starting with Ghana, where our people are similar. This is also in pursuit of the initiative to the benefit of both Ghana Stock Exchange and the JSE, because we feel that we can work together to ensure that there is wealth creation, there is a further development of our market.
Managing Director of the GSE, Peterson Ekau Afedzi, says the MOU signing is historic for many reasons, one of which being the first time Ghana is partnering with the Caribbean in this area.
We believe that this collaboration can lead to further development of our economies. It can lead to us collaborating in terms of the broader economies. And therefore, we also know that this collaboration will lead to exploration of various investment opportunities across Jamaica and Ghana.
Several certificates of land title are scheduled to be delivered to persons who were resettled by bauxite mining companies. Minister of Transport and Mining Audley Shaw gave the update in his recent sectoral debate presentation.
The target for this year is the delivery of 300 titles, and the bauxite mining companies are being encouraged to utilize all available modalities to implement the transfer of titles.
Minister Shaw says 116 titles were delivered to resettled persons last year by bauxite companies. This brings the total number of titles issued since 2012 to 1,333, with another 119 being prepared for transfer. $14.8 million is being invested in the Training of Trainers program to combat risks associated with environmental threats. The focus is being placed on the agriculture and fisheries sectors, with the recent staging of the Rural Economic Development Initiative 2 Training the Trainers Climate Resilience Workshop.
Our goal in training you is to make sure that you are prepared and you have the ammunition now to do what is necessary for us to drive towards food security.
The Climate Resilience Workshop is an initiative of the Jamaica Social Investment Fund. It aims to recover the loss of crops and livestock from natural disasters and to sustain the longevity of businesses. The Bureau of Standards Jamaica BSJ is in the process of upgrading the country's building codes to further support quality assurance in the construction sector. This comes against the background of a boom in the construction sector and the influence of varying construction systems from across the globe. Manager of the Testing and Industrial Services branch at the BSJ, Richard Lawrence, says the new codes will be made public soon.
We are upgrading the codes, and in the months to come, we will have a public campaign on the contents of the new code, as well as training for regulators, professionals in usage of these codes.
Mr. Lawrence was speaking at a recent JIS think tank. He's urging players in the construction sector to utilize the quality assurance services of the BSJ to mitigate against risks posed by the various hazards that can impact the sector. And finally, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is encouraging more Americans to visit Jamaica as most of the restrictive COVID-19 protocols have been lifted. Mr. Holness made the call Monday while being interviewed on Fox 5 News, New York.
We are insisting within the island that people take personal responsibility for their own health and safety. We strongly encourage people to wear masks, sanitize, social distance, but we have no protocols enforced by law anymore. So you can travel to Jamaica quite easily.
Persons traveling to Jamaica are no longer required to present a negative COVID-19 test 3 days ahead of arrival on the island. It's also no longer mandatory to wear a mask in enclosed public spaces. Persons are, however, still expected to isolate once they test positive for COVID-19, and establishments and entities are required to provide sanitization and temperature checks on premises. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.